We are done with you, Ethan. Pack your trash and get out.
Do not ever show your face around here again.
I will wash everything until it shines.
Move faster. Those plates should already be clean.
I made this for you. Do you like it? No, I do not. Throw it away.
I said, do not call me Mom.
Dad, may I please have one bite of the burger? No, Ethan. You know the rules.
He knows the rules, silly.
Eat this crust and be thankful. Then go outside and wash my truck. Faster.
I'm tired.
I don't care. Now wash the cab.
It is so heavy, but I will do a good job.
Thank you, Rusty. You are my only real friend here.
Stop staring at me and go back to your cold attic. Will anyone ever love me? Catch this if you can.
Oh no, it is gonna hit the vase.
Chloe, are you hurt? Are you okay? He did it! Ethan threw the ball and broke it! You careless boy. You'll never learn. But I didn't. It wasn't me. No, I did not. I was not even playing. This useless boy destroys everything in this house.
I promise, I was in the kitchen.
I don't believe you.
That is enough. Pack your things right now.
Get out of this house.
Do not come inside. Leave us alone. Please do not leave me out here alone. Go! We do not want you anymore. I have nobody now.
Just survive tonight, Ethan. Be strong. I will not give up. I will work hard and live. Tomorrow, I will find a way. Sir, may I work for some food, please?
Sweep this patio until it shines.
I will make it the cleanest patio in the city.
You really are working hard, kid. Great job, son. You earned this meal.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. This is the best food I have ever tasted. Ma'am, let me help you with those bags.
Oh, that's very kind of you, dear. Thank you.
Bless you, sweet boy. You are very kind. Keep the change, dear.
Thank you. A few more coins, and I can buy a warm blanket.
Look at that dirty garbage, boy.
I earn honest money. I am not ashamed. Scrub, scrub, scrub. These plates will sparkle. They sparkle.
That was a very close call.
It sure was, kiddo. 1, 2, 3, 4. I almost have enough.
Here you go, kid.
Tonight I will not freeze.
Good morning. Time to work hard again.
One day, my life will change.
Henry, look at that little boy working so hard.
Yes, Eleanor, he is.
We should talk to him.
We will, don't worry.
Welcome to the diner. Can I help you? What is your name, sweetheart?
Ethan.
Hello, Ethan. It's so nice to meet you.
My name is Ethan.
You should not be working this hard.
Where are your parents?
I don't know.
I do not have a family anymore.
You do now.
We are here for you. Henry, I think we found him.
Ethan, would you like to come home with us?
Yes.
A real home? With people who want me? Yes, sweetheart. A real home.
Go on, kid. You deserve happiness.
No.
This car smells like flowers and leather. Is that place a castle?
Welcome home, son.
I have never seen a home like this. I know, it's yours now. These are your new clothes. I look so handsome. These shoes do not even have holes.
Let us take this bike into the garden, son. Yes, please, Henry.
Thank you for saving me. I love you, Mom and Dad.
We are completely broke.
You never planned for anything. You're useless.
Huh.
I can't believe I have to deal with this because of you.
The bank is taking the truck tomorrow.
You said we had more time. I know. How could you let this happen? We do not even have money for food.
I want a new tablet right now.
Now we both have to work for a catering company.
I cannot believe we are serving food to rich people.
Well, we have to earn a living somehow, don't we?
Keep your head down and do the job.
Whoever lives here must be a billionaire.
Take these trays to the garden quickly. Ugh.
Fine, but they're heavy. My back is hurting so much. Just hold it together, Vanessa. It's almost over.
I want to introduce our wonderful son, Ethan.
We are so proud of you, son. Marcus. Is that Ethan?
It cannot be. He looks rich.
Here is your drink, young master.
Vanessa. Marcus.
Ethan, is that really you?
What is the meaning of this?
Get out of our way, we have work to do.
He is our son.
No, you threw me into the freezing snow. You abused this sweet boy? He was trouble, always causing problems.
We made a terrible mistake.
Please come back to us, Ethan.
You never loved me. You only loved Chloe. You never cared about me. You only cared about Chloe. Now you do not want me. You want money.
Security. Escort these cruel people out.
My true family is right here. Real love makes a real home. My true family is right here. Real love makes a real home.